Hi everyone, welcome to our new series in this YouTube channel.
So we are Linda and Caleb from Bamboo and Backpacks, and our next series is Eco Travel Essentials and Eco Travel Products. So in this series we're going to show you all of our favourite eco travel products that we take with us in our backpacks everywhere we go when we travel. We're going to start off with our 5 essential eco travel products. Fire away.
Awesome. So our first favorite product is the water to go. We have been using it non-stop for the last year.
Yeah, it's a really amazing reusable bottle with a built-in filter that allows us to always have access to clean, safe drinking water. So wherever we are, we can just refill it from a fresh water source, from the tap, from a stream, and drink straight from it. And we're drinking safe water, clean water. So yeah. Really amazing.
Really amazing. It's a piece of relaxation.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, it gives us peace of mind when we're drinking.
Peace of mind, that.
Yeah. So number 2, the second one is for all the women out there. I use a silicone menstrual cup for my periods. So having used this now for just over a year, it has been a complete life changer for my periods. I don't dread them anymore. I'm really comfortable using it. I don't even feel it anymore. I can do all the activities that I want to, horse riding, cycling, scuba diving, and I don't even notice that I'm on a period. It's really, really great. It also means that I don't have to use any sanitary pads and tampons because I just need one. If I take care of it and clean it properly, I only need this for the rest of my period life. It's really amazing. I would recommend it to any woman out there, whether you're traveling or not. So yeah, that was number 2, the menstrual cup.
Great. So our third one are the polu cups. These are bamboo cups. One of the things that we love the most about these ones is that we started using them just for coffee or water or juice, but now we realize that we can use it for any kind of street food, mainly. For example, fruit salads here in South America, anything that we want to get on the road. Mainly because of their size, they are quite big, but at the same time, you can pile them up so they don't take much space. Also, if it's very hot, you have this silicone that you can use them. These are some of our favorite products, also because they are made out of bamboo.
Yeah, good for the name. Number 4 now. Number 4 is our solar panel. We have a portable solar panel, which we absolutely love. For the last year now, we haven't had to worry about having access to power on the road. It's been, again, peace of mind for charging our phones, for charging our camera batteries. It has a USB port, actually 2 USB ports, so we can connect with the USB cable. Our Camry battery chargers, our phones, or even power banks that we then charge up to take with us on long journeys. So yeah, it's been really, really amazing this year. We haven't really worried about having power wherever we are. So that's been a fantastic product.
Definitely. And last but not least, this is definitely one of our favorite products. This is the Eco Egg. It's a laundry egg for those who don't know, and it's amazing. It's done with recycled materials and is all with natural minerals. So it means that it has no harsh chemicals for the waterways. So yes, this has been amazing, and we are really excited because we don't have to worry about laundry for a really long time.
No.
Thanks to this product.
Yeah, it's refillable, so we can just keep refilling the natural minerals or the pellets that are inside, and yeah, we can just wash our clothes in a bucket, in a washing machine, whatever we have access to. So clean clothes on the road forever.
Yeah, definitely. Well, these have been our 5 favorite products for being on the road. Also, you can use them at home. And yes, there is a lot more yet to come.
Yeah, exactly. So for a bit more detailed information for each of these products, check out the individual product video, which is coming up. If you want to know a bit more about anything that we've shown you here, leave a comment and we'll answer you as quickly as we can. If you have any suggestions for other things that you might want us to show you, again, leave a comment. Subscribe to our channel not to miss out on any other future videos. We will see you next week.
Bye. Thank you very much.
Bye.